Okay, today I have an old Galaxy S3, I think. Looks similar to the S2 and S3 kind of look alike. Well, you plug this in and it doesn't do anything. So I thought today I would take it apart and do a repair on it. So first I'm going to take a screwdriver and put a correct bit in. Okay, hold on. And you're just going to want to pry this open. Just like that. Okay, now you have the back cover off. And inside you have a Samsung lithium-ion 3.8 volt battery, and it's you're gonna want to remove that also and avoid poking the battery because it will expand and explode. So we're just gonna set this off to the side. Well, that's near heat, so I'm not gonna do that. Alright, now if you look real close, there are tiny Phillips head screws. So I'm going to change my bit to a Phillips, the correct size, and there is one here, here. So I am going to take this apart. Now if this takes too, it's probably going to take a while, but I am going to cut all this out if it takes too long. So the thing is, I think there's a problem with the micro USB port at the bottom of this thing. And I think over a couple of years of using this, the leads that connect together, the female and the male end, they connect together, and you get pins pushing on other pins, and that's what gives you your power input. And after years of use, I think those pins have been bent in certain ways and they broke off. Because now the USB that used to charge this does not work anymore. Like, I mean, it don't function at all. So I'm gonna dump this over and get. Oh, all right. I'm gonna get the rest of the screws out, which I just done. And let me guess, you're saying, why are you repairing a phone with a screwed up screen? Well, number one, I'm doing this just because I want to. I want to see what the problem is. So after you get all your screws out, you will get your screwdriver and you pry up right here, and this will come off. And any remaining screws are in this. You can leave in there if you want. So it's what you're left with. Stay inside. And there is a lens where the camera was. Huh. It's weird. So, I'm going to set that aside. scoot all the screws over. I'm sorry, I bumped the camera. Okay, now inside your phone, you will have your motherboard. It will have your micro SD slot and your SIM card slot, and it will have a bunch of components on this board. Okay, so this is what has failed, I am sure, by looking at this board. There's really nothing wrong with it. So there's going to be a wire here, and I think that's your Wi-Fi or something to do with your screen, so you want to unplug that. Let's see. I'm going to need to take this board out. So to do that, you're going to want to pry gently on this little thing right here. And just to let you know, there's going to be a little pop-on clip you see right there, right here. This popped off. That's a little clip and went into a hole. So you don't have to worry about breaking it. And you have your speaker in there, your headphone jack, and things like that. So I'm going to set that aside. Now you have your camera and your motherboard and a small speaker up here, which looks pretty delicate. Everything in here, there's your speaker. 28. Has the numbers 28 written on it. Huh.
My name is Yo Mama.
Okay, Caleb, I'm doing a video. Alright, so you're gonna want to get the board out now. So you unclip any clips that are on the board. Make sure there are not hidden screws that you need to remove. And that's a great time for somebody to text me. Who is this? Okay. So you want to make sure there are no hidden screws on this board. You don't want to unplug that too. Just gently get these little clips out. Now once you do that, your board should become free. Wow. Alright. Okay. They're gentle. You gotta be really gentle with this stuff. That's a clip. It plugged in somewhere. I'm not sure where. I think it's plugged in somewhere right here. Anyway. Now you have your motherboard. It's the thing that runs your phone. So now you can now set your phone aside. There's no really, everything's out of it pretty much except for a microphone and the speaker at top. So you can set that out of the way. Now you have your little USB port at the bottom right here. And I'm just going to take a close look at it. And yeah. I'm not going to be able to fix this. Look at this. On the motherboard, it's not even soldered completely through, and it's got 7 little pins that go into this motherboard. and I have no clue what they do. I know they're for power and probably data also. Data transfer. Oh, right. So, oh, hold on. I'm gonna turn on my headlamp. Okay, now I'm taking a look inside right now, and it does not look pretty. Yeah. Now here's the power button. There's your battery. So I'm gonna look on the battery and find out the positive and negative. So pretty much your battery goes in this way. No, it goes in this way. So your positive is on the very left, and your negative is the second to last to the right. Okay. I am going to get a USB without any wire so that I can touch those things and see what it does. I'm not sure why I'm doing this, I just want to do that. So I'm going to plug this in. Now it's currently supplying 5 volts to this. Alright, now this cord is a bit short. Okay, now I'm touching the positive. And the negative. You know what? I am actually going to charge this battery using these. So positive is on right there. Negative goes right there. Yeah, I don't think I can do anything for this. The pins in this are all screwed up. Now, if I could remove this USB port, if it's possible. Here, I'm gonna try to desolder that because it looks like it's soldered in all 4 corners. So maybe if I touch the board and try to unsolder it, it will like unsolder probably, maybe, sorta. Right. Okay, so it seems this port is permanent and there's no way to get it off. This board is confusing. I can't. There's really nothing I can do for this. Like, there's not anything I can do. It is done, pretty much. Alright. I'm not sure there's anything I can do with this. I'm going to actually try one more thing before I give up on this. This phone's pretty much done. Now, here we go. Alright. I'm going to try to pull the pins forward and see if I can. Yeah, I think this is done. It's done. No fixing it. There is no fixing this. So, I have a phone of the same model. I will charge it up and I will basically kill this phone. I will record underwater with it, since that's really the only thing it can do now. Yeah. There's a microphone. Maybe I could get that up and use that. Or that might not be a microphone, actually. It's something, though. I'm not completely sure. Yeah, this phone is pretty much done. So, I guess I'll just upload this as a take apart and reassemble video. So, I'm just gonna reassemble this thing now, since there's pretty much nothing I can do for it. So, I'm going to place this back down. Clip that clip down. If it will clip, then I would. Alright, there it goes. Gonna shove this camera back down into its hole and plug it back in. And there's a nice little LED on this board. So yeah. Now what? Okay, I'm gonna plug this back in. I hate these cords. Snap-on kinda cord. Looks kinda analog-y to me. like an old connector, looks like. Anyway, this phone has been good for us for several years now. And it decided to die a few months ago by self-destructing the USB ports. So I'm going to put this thing back together. Oh Lord. Okay, well, I bumped the camera and the tripod fell over. So I will now set back up my ghetto tripod. Okay, now that you're kind of set back up, I think.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
Okay, you're set back up. No, I was just talking to the video camera. Okay. Now, watch out! I have a hot soldering iron.
Hi, people.
Why are your hands wet?
Because I just washed my hands.
Oh, okay. Alright.
And the towel was working wet.
Oh.
So it kind of kept my hands wet.
Alright, I didn't even know that. That was kind of disgusting. Alright. I'm going to turn on my super bright headlamp. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to turn off the light, my work lights. And this is my headlamp only that you're seeing. Okay. And now I am going to place back the cover. I think this is interesting. Look at the inside of the cover.
Good news.
Huh.
They're not melted.
What?
The ice cream.
Caleb?
What?
You know you're not supposed to open the icebox right now, right? We just got out of a power outage. Mom and Dad said don't open the icebox. You didn't even tell me either. You just went and opened it. Okay. Place the rest of the screws back. Sorry this was such a boring video, but, you know, I just had to. What is going on here with this thing? I am not going to fight this thing. I'm just going to not put screws in if it don't want to take the screws. Caleb! How many of those ice cream sandwiches have you had today?
One.
One?
Out of three. One.
You can only have one a day. I had one yesterday. That's it. Okay. Now.
This is the first one I ate.
Okay.
Out three since we had them.
Okay.
I might eat another one so bad.
No,
Why?
because you're only supposed to have one a day.
Did Dad tell you?
Yes, Dad told me. Only one a day for both of us. If we eat more than one day, he won't ever get those again. You're being such a pest.
None. I say pest, not pest.
Okay, now this last screw don't have to. Well, actually, it does. It's supposed to go up here. No, you are not getting another one. If you shoot that at me, I will. I swear to God, I will come over there and I will hit you until you quit moving. Because that thing will hurt.
It doesn't give you the right to do that.
You don't have the right to shoot me.
You would go to the down place when you die.
You're gonna go to there if you shoot me. You
No.
retard. Over there looking like Miss Piggy. And you say nothing. Stupid.
How many bullets is this?
6.
It's 8, idiot. That's the idiot test.
Okay, it's vibrating. That means it has some sort of charge in it. So here, what if I take, let's see, this little USB with the 2 ends missing, and I plug it into a little battery pack. Wait, is that okay, and I plug it into the phone. And let's say I hold the power button. Okay. Well, it didn't work like that. So I'm going to do it like this. So basically right now I'm charging the battery. Just maybe enough to see something on the screen. Just to see if the phone even works anymore. Because I'm not even sure. It vibrated, so I'm pretty sure it might work. But what's the point of a phone if you can't even... Okay, it's doing the... Okay, so I am going to go get the other phone. Of the same kind, just like this. This is basically the same phone, but for a different company. I'm going to get a USB cord that's about 7 foot long and plug it in and charge it. Jesus, how many people are going to call me today? Hello? Okay, now, well, somebody just called me. I don't know who that was. But now this phone is charging. As you see. So I'll let it charge enough to turn on. So basically it vibrated and then it turns on and does this thing and that crap. Well, this one can't do that. Yeah, right. Did I break the screen even more than it was broken? I'm not sure. Let's see. Did it break more? I don't know. Right. Okay, I'm gonna leave that phone charging for a while. And that will be the end of my video. And I will see you people later.